So I heartedly welcome all the participants who are participating from the different esteemed institute from every corner of India. Here we together meet during a week to be start from 6th December and probably has now end at 10 December 2021. Title for our FDP, Current Field Practices for Energy and Utility Systems. Our program is sponsored by EICT Training and Learning, Atal Academy, EICT New Delhi. So do you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you. So we are from behalf of the organizing committee, Government Engineering College, Dahod, Gujarat, heartedly thankful to the Atal Academy, EICT New Delhi for sponsoring this program, online FDP program for a week. And I am also thankful to the director, GT Pandya sir, Directorate of Technical Education, State of Gujarat, for sponsoring the faculty members from the various department of the different institute to take part actively in this training program. And one more thing, remaining work to be done here in this STTP is to be application of one test. Our examination committee is going on still for preparing the paper, and when it got ready, we will intimate you regarding its time, etc. within, you can say, few minutes, and the same information will be provided to you on the email as well as WhatsApp, so that you can access the link anywhere. But the stipulated time limit provided to complete the test, you must have to appear. And another thing, your feedback is to be remained in the Atal training portal, for which email you have to log in for this STTP. So at the end of this STTP, might have to log in the same within 1-2 days to provide your feedback for this STTP for the various speakers in the Atal portal, so that whenever we provide your attendance as well as the marks on the portal, you can generate your certificate directly. But the condition for that is from your side to enter the full-fledged feedback forms relating to the all lectures. Our respected HOD sir, Dr. D.R. Shah sir, is the main motivation as well as inspiration for all us junior members for to guide as well as select various speakers, esteemed speaker, you can say, from the reputed positions in the different well-known industries of Gujarat as well as from outside India. So that is only possible with the great experience of sir in collaboration and liaising with the industry people. So initially we start our initiation by the inauguration function on the date 6/12/2020 on Monday, where we have our chief expert, wherever chief expert of the valedictory session is Professor Virendra Kumar Vijay, IRDA Chair, IIT Delhi, who have give us a lot of inspiration as well as a kind of a rural economy in India in coalization with renewable resources as well as wide application of bioenergy. Then after on the same day, second lectures to be handled by me itself, and so far it concerned, I will have cover up the performance study along with theoretical as well as the practical analysis of the desiccant cooling system as well as some setup we have developed in our refrigeration laboratory at Government Engineering College Dahod is also get demonstrated and study as well as the result and performance analysis have been shown to you. At the last lecture, we may have some person, Nitish Desai sir, from the Technical University of Denmark, who is postdoctoral researcher there, will give us very valuable information with regarding to the design and optimization of solar-based thermal power plant. On the next day, 7 December, we may have first lecture of Mr. Dinanath Akela sir with regarding to a demonstration of some digital solution tools for measuring and monitoring the boiler performance. Sir is a manager operations at the combined cycle power plant Reliance Hazira Surat. Next lecture will be have been taken by Dharmen Taylor sir. He split his lecture into the two kinds of delivery. One is current scenario, challenges and solution with the steam turbine and its introductive and overview part. Then after he might have covered vibration diagnosis of a rotary machine. My colleague friend requested to admit the participant as I am busy with the presentation, but sir and Nilesh sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Then after he might have to do vibrational diagnosis of the rotary machine, how the stress can be generated while you impinge a high flow steam pressure over to the turbine blade. So all that in detail in very well manner explained by the Dharmen Taylor sir. Then after Verma sir, CEO and founder of Air and Gas Process Technology, explain us about pressure sink adsorption PSA technology, especially used for air separation and biogas purification. On the Wednesday, we may have the Bipin Bhalodia sir to explain us about the overview and utility of the package unit. Next lecture to be covered by Dr. Manoj Kumar Gupta sir from Institute of Plasma Research IPR Gandhinagar about the use of cryogenic technology for the air separation. And last Chief Manager Mechanical Mr. Anirudh C.A. Waghela explained the practical aspect of energy conservation in the gas-based combined cycle power plant is from one reputed industries from the state of Gujarat called Gujarat Industries and Power Company Limited, Vadodara. On the 9th December, initial lecture to be taken up by the setting up of utility skill-based wind farm and its current scenario by Mr. Hetal Sasar. He is the commercial head, Reliance Naval, Mumbai. So he will have explained you erection as well as site selection and the kind of trusses and forces to be coming to exist while you got set a wind farm. Next lecture to be covered up by the Bhavesh Patel sir, who is director in Vitalam Constructions regarding to the operation, maintenance and energy conservation aspect in the different HVAC machineries. Last lecture to be taken up by Professor P.V. Ramana at SVNIT Vasad on the solar-based hybrid power generation. Today, there is also special day as our principal Dr. P.K. Brahmbhatt sir explain stress management as well as yoga to be one of the supplementary need of the people being in a non-technical way. So sir have explained it very well way so that we can able to reduce the stress existing to our workplace. And last lecture of the today, second last lecture is from Dr. S.A. Channiwala sir. He will have been explain us about next generation power plant using sustainable green energy solutions. He is the CSIR Bhatnagar fellow as well as the professor, retired professor of SVNIT Surat. And with that, this is about the overview. At the not last but not least, but at the last, I will thankful to all the participants who have joined and completed this STTP successfully at Government Engineering College, Dahod, and get benefit of the wide industrial knowledge of the persons who available here for a week for sharing with you their wide industrial experiences as well as academic one. Besides to that, we have certain supplementary lectures to be taken from our respected HOD, Dr. D.R. Sasar, regarding biogasification. Mehta sir explain you detail about the cryocooler as well as myself to be for the transit as well as national education policy as some supplement time available to us so that we may have filled up with the kind of novelties and expertises available in the department. So I thankful from organizing committee, all the speakers for giving their valuable time as well as effort in educating us during this week. I am also thankful to the participants who have got sincerely participated and take the benefit of this STTP. At last, I request participants to provide your feedback onto the Atal portal so that the same can be recorded as per the kind of sessions to be covered by here, different days as well as sessions as per the STTP completes. Okay. So after that, when we provide your presence and marks in the portal, you will be able to download your certificate. Most of time, what happen? We upload our marks and presence, but you are not able to download. One of the reason is that you are not providing your feedback at Atal. So don't miss to provide your feedback. Within 1 or 2 days, your feedback may be ready on the Atal portal. So don't miss to provide your feedback so that your certificate without any problem can be downloaded. Now, from some of the feedback as a part of our improvement in the future, we may invite some of you participant regarding what are strength, weakness, or how can you take this STTP in your way. So I invite the forum for participant feedback.
Participant can provide the feedback regarding this Atal FDP by unmuting their mic.
Hello, sir. I'm audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, congratulations to managing team. Okay, wonderful. All the sessions are very wonderful. Okay, and we can say in general, right, we are teaching to the student, but these are the sessions which we are learn from, and definitely we are try to incorporate in our teaching as well as pass this knowledge to the student. So really, all the speakers are has given very insightful and useful information. Okay, so definitely I hope all the participants have get maximum benefit out of it. Definitely I have get maximum benefit. Okay, so this is from my side, and again I will congratulate all the managing team, and definitely in future also this type of FDP definitely I will try to attend, or also my colleagues means what the participants are also want to participate such type of STP where we get extra knowledge, we can say. Thank you, sir.
Any other participant? Thank
Good
you
morning.
for giving valuable feedback.
Good afternoon,
Welcome.
sir.
Yes, good afternoon, madam. You can provide your feedback.
Yes, I want to say that it's really well planned and well executed training FDP on a Atal portal. All session are really, all the sequence of the session, the content delivered by the expert is really very fruitful, and the timing, the all feedback system is really very well planned, and I appreciate your teamwork. whole team really worked very hard to execute this FDP. So I congratulate all of you and wish the great success for upcoming FDP.
Thank you. Thank you, madam.
So, as considered to the limitation of space, we have to take any one more participant to provide his feedback. Last participant, willingly, anyone is ready.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Gaurav Sultaria
Yes,
from
good.
LD College of Engineering.
Yes, please speak, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, all the sessions are very wonderful. We enjoyed a lot. All the speakers, the sequence, as Professor K.R. Patel told, extremely organized, well mannered. The timely feedback and everything is coming. And the experts you chose for the various sessions, they are also very good. Even the session by Brahmbhatt sir and that other sir on Wednesday evening, that was also very good. So we learned a lot with the technical as well as some non-technical things. And I congratulate all your team members, Professor D.R. Shah, Jani sir, Brahmbhatt sir, and Kumar Bhatt sir, and all the faculties who are engaged in this, making this training successful. Well done, Team GEC Dahod. And we expect more and more this kind of programs in future from your side. And obviously, I was not selected from city, though I have attended all these sessions and really enjoyed a lot. Thank you very much once again, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all the participants, those who have given their valuable feedback. Now I invite our respected HOD and main inspiration and motivation behind this STTP, Professor Dr. D.R. Shah sir, to conclude the STTP.
Thank you, Mr. Jani. Thank you, participants, for your passionate learning, attending all the sessions. In fact, there was some delay by our DT to upload detail of this program on our DT Gujarat portal. That's why faculty members from Gujarat state, whoever were interested, in fact, from them only 1/3 were given permission to attend this program. Yet many faculty members have joined this program, and in fact, as you may have seen, most of the programs either are on renewable energy side or few may be on energy side only, some may be on energy conservation side, but here I had considered blending all these areas as well as considering that new development, whatever is happening, in fact, as per directives by government, like bio CNG, and then after due to COVID pandemic, more and more oxygen plants were being installed. Whereas here in our curricula, if you have seen, PSA technology that is to be studied either by students of chemical engineering course or students of mechanical who have chosen refrigeration AC as elective subject or cryogenic as one of the elective. So to have exposure about this PSA based technology, cryogenic technology, especially 2 separate sessions were kept. Also, government of Gujarat has started few desalination plant on coastal areas. In fact, 6 plants are confirmed by government of Gujarat, and gradually one by one these plants are being installed. So where seawater is to be treated and then after potable drinking water is to be supplied. So it was Reliance Refinery Jamnagar which started with this plant in 1998, and my colleagues are serving there. So I was in touch with them since long, and all these colleagues then after shifted to very well-known industry. In fact, Reliance itself is one renowned industry, but then after they had joined industry like Linde, and at such location they have to involve themselves for different aspects, like they have to supply compressor, they have to supply boilers, they have to supply water treatment plant, they have to supply oxygen plant, they have to supply nitrogen plant, cooling towers, HVAC system. And when their involvement is starting from project, and then after even they have to give the client that system fully functioning, so they are the masters in fact of our field. So I had considered taking their services, and most of the faculty members as well as experts from industries as well as researchers, they were having more than 20 years experience in their respective field. So I am sure that their inputs, whatever they have provided during their session, will prove to be very useful for our academics also. And in fact, you are knowing that for our GTU, in fact, for Gujarat State, as well as per AICT directive, almost all the students will have to undergo internship program. So our more and more connection with industry is now essential, so that they get easily permission for their training at such industry. So it is essential that whenever we arrange STTP, speakers from industry must be kept. Whereas previously, in fact, if you have seen, most of the speakers are chosen from academic side, and very few are there from industry. And in fact, industry people are busy in their own business and cannot provide full 2 hour session. You may have seen Mr. Waghela from GIPCL, being chief manager, has to handle all operation maintenance activities, and during his plant working, he had to take this session, and despite that, he had given consent and had taken. So, and that was also the case with Mr. Bipin Bahalodia, even Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta at IPR, etc. But all they have participated, in fact, given very good lecture, very good information during their session, and I am sure that all of you might have benefited. In fact, few lectures could not be in fact covered fully for 2 hour session, and for that supplementary lectures also we had to take in connection with same topic or a similar topic. So overall, I am seeing that our team, mechanical engineering department, GEC Dahod, has done nicely. So I am thankful to AICT, who had given us this opportunity to organize this event, and then after DT, who also permitted so many faculty members to attend this program, and all the participants from different states who have attended this program. Also my faculty members, Professor DB Jani, Professor MY Patil, Professor Kumar Bhatt, Professor Saurabh Dixit, Professor Nirvesh Mehta, all participated well to choose particular speaker. Like that, Professor Nirvesh Mehta had arranged one expert from Europe. You may have seen Mr. Desai. So even all these speakers, in fact, remained present at time. I was, in fact, that whether from their side timely this session will be executed or not, but I have seen that most of the speakers maintain their timings. So thank you very much, all the participants. I congratulate that all of you have, in fact, attended this program, and I am sure that you will clear this exam also, as it will not be that difficult. In general, whatever topics are covered from the same only, this your session will be there, so you have not to worry. In fact, so time also will be given as per whatever is. In fact, so many faculty members had said they have exam duty, and accordingly time was to be managed. So thank you very much. Also, our principal sir was inspiration for, in fact, he had told all the department head to arrange minimum 1 STTP, and 3 STTPs were allowed by AICT, and we were lucky that we were given this opportunity by AICT. Thank you very much. In future also, I am expecting that whenever such program is arranged by GEC Dahod, all of you, whoever has attended this program, will remain present, will apply for attending that program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, respected HOD DR Shah sir, for motivational word for us. Now I invite our respected principal, Dr. Professor P.K. Brahmbhatt sir, for inspiring us as well as some of the STTP valedictory. Welcome, sir.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Our respected and honorable head of the department, Professor Dr. DR Shah sir, Dr. D.B. Jani sir, Dr. Dirvesh Mehta sir, Professor M.Y. Patil sir, Professor Kumar Bhatt, Professor Dr. Saurabh Dikshit, and all team members and all the participants. So this FDP, that is a current field practices for energy and utility systems. So I have heard, I have listened to this feedback from all of you, and all aspects of related to this FDP have been covered, and the Professor DR Shah has also explained it properly and smoothly, so that he has organized this particular FDP, and credit goes to him as well as his team. And real inputs and his vast knowledge would be helpful to the department. At the same time, overall this FDP, I think, in short, if I say successful. Okay, safal. Gujarati mein so safal. So in short, I think this is a successful FDP, and this is in short, this is an outcome-based FDP. So you should share this knowledge among your students. So ultimately, we want to expand. We want to make a big network so that we can cover whole India from Dahod itself. Okay, so we have invited experts from industries as well as academia also. So they have shared their knowledge, and now your duty is to share this particular knowledge among your students. Okay, so you can give different projects, dissertation, and suppose those who are pursuing their PhD, they would also get some new inputs. Suppose in your area of research, suppose if you are related to in this particular area of research, so definitely this as FDP would be helpful to you. So I am thankful to Dr. DR Shah, who is very much sincere and honest in his duty. Okay, and Dr. D.B. Jani sir is always sincere, hardworking, and whatever work you assign him, so without any hesitation, without saying no, he accepts it. So actually, he is from IIT Roorkee, and he has completed. He had secured his degree from IIT Roorkee, and he is expert in desiccant cooling. And Dr. DR Shah is very much expert in alternative fuels, especially biogas gas related field. So you can we have shared emails as well as a mobile number of our experts also. So you can contact him if you are facing any problem. Feel free to contact us. So we would definitely help you in your problems. Okay. So in short, last me let me give an advice. Let carry out technical work. At the same time, let us play games, do yogas, do pranayam, do meditation, okay, do kirtan. Those who are Muslim, namaz, and those who are Christian, do prayers. So let us input all this work together, and let us utilize our infinite strength in right direction. Keep positive attitude throughout your life. So definitely, and you keep one thing in your mind: I want to serve the society without any expectation. Think yourself as a learner. Try to learn more and more. Try to read more and more. Work more and more. So definitely, in कर्म युग एंड इन संयोग आप हर हमेश अच्छी पोजीशन मिलेगी। अगर अच्छी पोजीशन नहीं मिलेगी तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन समाज में से आपको रिस्पेक्ट डेफिनेटली मिलेगा। यू शुड नॉट आस्क फॉर रिस्पेक्ट, योर कर्मास, जो अपने अपने कर्म है वो अपने आवाज से ज्यादा बुलंदी से बोलता है। ओके, आवर कर्मास स्पीक लाउडर देन आवर वॉइस। So build human relations. आप गेम्स जो भी क्रिकेट खेलते हो, बैडमिंटन खेलते हो, सब गेम भी खेलो, साइकिलिंग करो, वॉकिंग करो, योगा करो। एट द सेम टाइम हमारी जो प्राइम ड्यूटी है उसको आप अच्छी तरह निभाओ। So with this advice, I am very small in front of you to give you advice because you all are learned person. Okay, आप सब इंजीनियर्स हो, टेक्नोक्रेट्स हो, बट मेरा एक टीचर का हृदय है, उसमें से ये आवाज निकलती है कि हम जो भी करेंगे देश को आगे लाएंगे, देश के लिए कुछ करेंगे, देश के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ नॉवेल्टी ऐड करेंगे, डेल्टा एक्स कंट्रीब्यूशन देंगे एंड टेक्निकल फील्ड को अपलिफ्ट करेंगे, अपग्रेड करेंगे। So, हम ये संकल्प करके ये एफडीपी यहाँ पे समाप्त कोशिश करते हैं। आप सब डेलीगेट्स का मैं हृदयपूर्वक आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू, ऑल ऑफ यू। विदाउट योर प्रेजेंस दिस वुड नॉट बी पॉसिबल फॉर अस। आप सब ने हमारे लिए हमारी एफडीपी में एज अ डेलीगेट, एज अ पार्टिसिपेंट हिस्सा लिया, इसलिए गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज दाहोद की ओर से मैं आप सबका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। आप देश की सेवा करो और आप उत्तर तरक्की करो और अपना नाम रोशन करो। वही कामना के साथ, वही शुभ कामना के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। गॉड ब्लेस यू। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. God bless you.
Okay, thank you all the participants for successively participating in the STTP. From our side, you may have to enter your presence into the Atal portal and your appearance of the test marks. And from your side, to provide the feedback is to be remain in the portal to generate your certificate. So things to be remain regarding to our examination committee still in working state, we'll have to declare the timing of the test as early as possible in the WhatsApp group. Link we will provided you in the WhatsApp group, so that if you are the member of the WhatsApp group, can click on the link as it is Google form from anyone you can access. Most of the participant having certain problem due to their transportation, but some more time, you can say double time will be now provided so that you can complete your test in time as our respected HOD sir declared earlier. So as far as committee is concerned, when committee get ready with that, then we immediately declare the time in the WhatsApp group. The link is provided to you via email. Directly apply the same within the provided time limit. Thank you. Anyone having any query, question, or either way we may have to end the session here. किसी को कुछ पूछना है, कुछ दिक्कत है? आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप देखना है केवल अभी 6 बजे।
सर गुड आफ्टरनून टू यू।
Yes, yes.
Sir, test link have to provide today or tomorrow?
Today. Committee is in working condition and today we may have to provide.
Okay,
and some double time will be given to you because you are in transportation. So far, double time will be.
Testing potential mechanical ECQ. ನೋಡ್ಬೇಡ ಅದೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Anyone having any question, query, any other participant, faculty member regarding? We definitely declare time just within our still in work. Okay, so all of you requested to see the WhatsApp group or in contact just for 30 minutes. There we have to declare the time as well as the you can say duration also, and duration will be provided double as per your. Manjunath sir, please unmute, mute your mic. Any other faculty member having query, or I will have to declare meeting to be end here?
Nothing, sir. Sometime your voice is not.
All of the best. Please appear for the test, and I wish all of you must clear it as you are all intelligent. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
My colleague, respected Seth sir and Bhatt sir, now requested to end the meeting so that we can have end of this session now.
Okay, dear participants, now the session will be ending now, and the link for the examination or the test for this Atal FDP will be provided in the WhatsApp. And also I will share this link in the Microsoft Teams chat box. So those who are in Microsoft Teams, they will get, and those who are not currently available as an external guest will get in a WhatsApp link. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.